Hey, what's going on, guys? iOS Guides here, bringing you another awesome iPhone video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to conserve battery life to make your phone last longer throughout the day, so let's hop right into it. Alright, so the first tip is turning off background app refresh. So you're going to want to go to settings, hit general, scroll down to background app refresh, and make sure that you turn this off in settings. This will basically make it so that apps will not refresh while they are not open, and it will help conserve a lot of battery life. The next tip is turning off location services. You're going to want to go to settings, scroll down a little bit, hit privacy, go to location services, and you can edit through your apps. I would never allow always right here, so I'm just going to turn this on while using the app. This makes it so that your phone won't be searching for your location all the time, which will help conserve a lot of battery. So you can go through here, edit all these to while using if you do need location enabled, and that should do the trick. The next tip is quite easy and pretty obvious, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. So basically, it's just turning down your brightness. So you can turn down your brightness all the way, and that will definitely help save battery in the long run. The fourth tip is also on the display and brightness page, and it is auto lock. If you turn it to 30 seconds, then if you forget your phone and you leave it on, it'll turn off in 30 seconds. I always have it on never because why not? But if you want to get the maximum battery, turn it to 30 seconds and your phone will turn off if you accidentally leave it on. Last but not least, one of my favorite battery tips to conserving battery is turning on low power mode. This just overall helps conserve battery because it reduces background activity and stuff like that. So definitely turn that on if your phone, if you want your phone to last longer, and that will definitely help you. If this video did help you, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more awesome videos. I hope this helps your phone last longer.